First-time flyer? Don't stress. Here's how to fly Southwest. You'll learn how to check in, breeze through security, and get some in-flight tips. Check in exactly 24 hours before your flight to get better boarding. Use the app to check in and download your boarding pass. Your carry-on must fit into the overhead bin, and personal items go under the seat. Going through security? Keep it simple. No large liquids, take out your laptop, and have your ID ready. The smoother you are, the faster you'll go. Southwest has open seating, no assigned seats. Your boarding group and position decide when you board. Before takeoff, pay attention to the safety briefing. Your seat back pocket has a safety card with instructions for emergencies. Fasten your seatbelt whenever you're seated, and always take a moment to find the nearest exit, which might be behind you. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. There's nothing quite like the moment you lift off the ground and soar into the sky. The feeling of weightlessness, the world getting smaller beneath you. Welcome to the magic of flight. Whether it's your first time or your 100th, there's always something special about seeing the clouds from above and knowing adventure is just ahead. As you get closer to your destination, flight attendants will let you know when it's time to prepare for landing. Staying organized now makes deplaning smooth and stress-free. Need to stay connected? Southwest offers free messaging and $8 Wi-Fi for browsing. Enjoy complimentary drinks and limited snacks. And before you leave the airport, don't forget to pay for your parking. You did it. You're ready to fly like a pro. Remember, check in early, be ready for security, follow safety, and pay for your parking before you leave. Thanks for flying and safe travels.